everybody, hearty welcome to my English class. Today we are going to learn about a clause and its types. So let's learn it with full enthusiasm. A clause is a group of words containing a subject and verb. There are four types of clauses: main or independent, subordinate or dependent, and relative or adjective and noun clauses. An independent clause is a simple sentence. It can stand on its own. Example: she is hungry. In this sentence, she is subject and is verb. I am feeling well today. In this sentence, I is subject and am feeling is verb. I graduated last year. In this sentence, I is subject and graduated is verb. He must stop laughing. In this sentence, he is subject, must stop is verb. She forgot her car keys. In this sentence, she is subject, forgot is verb. A dependent clause cannot stand on its own. It needs an independent clause to complete a sentence. Dependent clause often begin with such words as although, since, if, when, and because. Example: although she is hungry. Whoever is here. Because I am feeling well. Since it was raining. If you come. We can see the examples in all the sentences is incomplete. It needs an independent clause to complete the sentence. So when we add independent clause in it, we can see the difference. Dependent, although she is hungry, will add to independent, she didn't eat food. Although she is hungry, she didn't eat food. Because I am feeling well. Dependent, will add independent sentence, I can go to the office. Since it was raining, dependent clause will add with independent, I am unable to come to school. If you come, dependent clause will add independent, we will study. If you come, we will study. Relative clause. A relative clause will begin with a relative pronoun such as who, whom, whose, which, or, that, or a relative adverb when, where, or why. Example: whom I met, who loves cake, which I kept. So we can see here also, like subordinate clauses, relative clauses cannot stand alone as complete sentences. You must connect them to main clause to finish the thought. Look at these. The boy whom I met was my family friend. So here we have added whom I met and complete the sentence. A dog who loves cake eats it very fast. She asked the book which I kept on the table. Noun clause. Any clause that functions as a noun becomes a noun clause. It begins with words such as how, that, what, whatever, whichever, whom, why, etc. Example: how the boy behaved was not very polite. Here the noun clause acts as a subject of a verb. So subject is how the boy behaved. He didn't know why the stove was not working. Here the noun clause acts as an object of a verb. That is why the stove is object here. So the stove was not working. So here it is acting as an object of the verb. Jerry knows why Ellen went to the store. Here noun clause acts as an adjective complement. That is, he knows why Ellen went to the store. So children, revise the types of clauses with examples. I hope you will understand it easily through these examples. Thank you.